2nd of August, which is ridiculous that we're finishing wheat off the hill at this time. It's coming in off the field just over 15%, so we are actually just running it through the dryer quickly. Just to take that down to about 14%. So we're just going to have a little look at where it's heading in the store now. Not needing to clean it, coming off the combine, and a little bit of a pre-aspiration in the plant, which is absolute cyclone dust extractor there. That's doing everything that we need it to do. So the last little bit, just going through the plant, just recirculating the dryer, and then we'll empty it. So the belt conveyor is not running at the moment. Got to head for heights up here. So we've got a little bit of wheat left in store from last year. This is harvest 19. This is milling wheat. That's Crusoe. There's about 400 tonnes in there that we haven't sold yet. And then this is this year's crop of the siskin. Let's just start to empty the dryer. So up the belt conveyor. Running pretty smoothly through there. Literally just flicking that off. Over back to the belt. Down there. So there's probably about 1,100 tonnes. Maybe not quite. Haven't added it up yet. Of siskin wheat in there, and then if we carry on along here, this is where the malting barley will come when we get going into our oilseed rape over here. And we've got the temperature probes in here. This is down to about anywhere between 16 and 20 degrees Celsius in the store at the moment. So those little receivers there beam the temperature up to these little Wi-Fi receivers, and then that gets beamed back to the office to tell the underfloor ventilation when not to switch on. So that's the difference. We've set between 4 degrees at the moment between the ambient temperature and the grain temperature. So we shall be pushing on. Not quite sure exactly what we're going to be cutting next. Probably either, well, it'll be peas or spring barley, and then we shall see how we get on. So tune in to see where we go.